household, Insta-snow, and even out of paper. But what else can we do that has to do with snow? Well, how about let's make a snow globe. Here's what we're gonna need. We're gonna need a jar that's clear so we can see into it, some vegetable glycerin, or you can use corn syrup, which I'm using right here, some glitter. You're gonna need yourself some distilled water, some hot glue, and a toy of your choice that's waterproof. All right, so here's what we're gonna do, mad scientists. We're gonna take our jar, we're gonna fill it up almost all the way to the top with distilled water. Check it out. We wanna leave a little bit of room though. So next what we're gonna do is we're going to take our glitter. Ooh, just a little bit. There we go. Ooh, sparkly.
Oh my God! Wow!
So next we're gonna take 1 teaspoon of our corn syrup. Pour half with that, like so. Going to drop it in there, like so. Ooh, that was cool, mad scientist. Did you see that? Wow. All right, now we have our glitter in here, our water, our corn syrup or vegetable glycerin, and we gotta put in our little figure. I'm putting in a polar bear, since polar bears like to live in cold waters. All right, so now that we've got all of that, what we're gonna do is we're going to hot glue the lid on to make sure when we put it on, it doesn't come off. So just apply hot glue to the side of the jar and make sure to have a parent, guardian, or whoever takes care of you help you out with this, because hot glue can get pretty hot. Then we're gonna put on our lid just like that. And now we're gonna shake it up. And just like that, we have our own snow globe. Look at that. We got a little polar bear and it looks like a little blizzard. Isn't that so cool, mad scientists? And I bet your snow globe looks really cool because you used all different kinds of glitter and have different toys in here. You can put different toys, or you can use different colors of glitter, and you can make this your own creative project. Wow, mad scientists. I can't wait to see your very cool snow globes. So mad scientists, we figured out that we can make a really cool snow globe using vegetable glycerin or corn syrup, but how does that work? Well, glycerin slows the snow or glitter by making it thick or changing the density of the liquid, which we have water. The change in thickness will also slow down our glitter. You may use clear syrup in place of glycerin and achieve the same effect. Isn't that really cool? All right, mad scientists. So, as you know, we made ourselves some homemade snow. And playing with it's pretty fun, but what if we made something out of it? Here, let me show you. This is what you're gonna need. You're gonna need a piece of paper. It can be any color you like, but I'm using black. You're gonna need some liquid Elmer's glue and the homemade snow that we made just a little while ago. So for this activity, I'm gonna take my glue and I'm going to make the shape of a snowman on my plate with it. So there's the head, like so. And then the body. A bigger one for the rest of the body. See, I've made my little snowman shape. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the fake snow that I had earlier and I'm gonna glue it on. Spread it around and make sure that you got your snowman looking good. You can shape them. You can add more glue. And just like that, we have our fabulous little snowman. And he feels just like snow. Now, mad scientists, this is the part where you get to get creative. So my snowman's looking a little dull, but that's okay. You can make your snowman look however you want. You can give him some eyes, maybe a smile or a frown. You can give him some cool little arms, maybe made out of sticks, and you can give him maybe a top hat or a scarf. whatever you want your snowman to look like. Mine's pretty bland, but I'm sure yours will look so much cooler. All right, mad scientists. Well, we've had a lot of fun in the Mad Science Lab today. We got to make our own snow using Insta-Snow and some household items. We got to make some paper snowflake decorations. We got to make snow globes. And we even got to make really cool snowmen with the snow that we made. That's so much fun. And we got to learn a lot about snow. So, what did we learn? Well, we learned that snows are crystals of ice that fall down to Earth when the temperature is freezing, which is below 32 degrees if you remember. We also learned that it is a form of precipitation, like rain and sleet. And we also learned that tiny ice crystals of snow form together to make snowflakes. Wow, mad scientists. Today was a lot of fun. Really cold, but lots of fun. And I hope you had fun here too. Hopefully we'll see you back here in the Mad Science Lab soon.